Guys, and welcome to Alma Crash Repair Center. We have a Mercedes AMG C63 2016. The car has lots of damages all around it. As you can see, the alloy wheel has to be, 4 alloy wheels has to be replaced. 4 of them are damaged. Wing has to be replaced. Wing mirror has to be replaced. We have the door, we need to repair it. Quarter panel being pushed in, we have to repair it as well. We have a nice rear diffuser, rear spoiler on the boot. As you can see, it's a lovely one, carbon fiber. And then we got a very lovely diffuser, goes on the back. And then of course that side as well, we got some dents on it that need to be repaired. Guys, we will definitely show you the process on the car, how we were repairing it and how it's gonna look after that. As you can see here, there is no gap between bonnet and the wing. You can see now the bonnet is closed, by the way. Look at the gap here. So the front is being twisted. Of course, definitely that's all has to be repaired, and we have to make it perfect how it was. As you can see, the car has been stripped. This is the door, was very bad repair. As you know guys, this is aluminium, so that's been we pulled it, we put the filler, and that's on the primer at this moment. This is the quarter panel as well, of course. This side as well, fully primed, quarter, 2 doors, and the front wing as well. And we have a brand new alloy wheels with the tires. That's gonna look fantastic. Here we go, these are the alloy wheels. We're gonna put them on now so we can be able to move the car. Diamond cut, matte color, matte finish. Here you go guys, now the car is ready for paint. As you can see, it's been repaired, been prepped, masked up completely. The whole side is gonna get painted. This is the bumper, completely stripped, completely repaired, full primer. This is the brand new wing as well. This is the other side, from the quarter to the end of the wing. We're gonna show you as well how we are applying the paint into it. Here you go, the job has been completed now, and as you can see, the wing has been replaced. We installed the new alloy wheels, 4 of them, the whole set. We replaced the V8 turbo badge, used to be in black color, but the reason is we put the chrome because it suits the wheels. We got chrome here as well and diamond cut, so that's why we decide to get the chrome badge to look more nicer. That the whole side has been painted from bumper, complete from bumper, so has been done, and this side as well, full respray. This has been done as well. The car is being fitted and time to go. Guys, thanks for watching and I hope you enjoyed the video.